So guys, I'm here trying to remove the generator of the Fiat 500. The problem that I have was before I couldn't get the fan out from the back because that bolt in the back that holds the fan was like glued and I cannot get it out. So I am now going the other way of actually taking off the whole shroud here in the front, which I just did. Let me change the camera for a second. So I removed the belt, the pulley, all the nuts that go around and on the bottom, the panel on the bottom. And now the manual says to, like, supposedly this is supposed to come out off like this, but the biggest trouble I had was getting the nut out. This one here, because a regular wrench cannot get in here. Anyway, I got all the nuts out. I'm supposed to now slide this one out, but this is impossible to slide out if this is in the way, so that's where I'm stuck at the moment. So guys, I finally got out. I had to take out the whole fan shroud in the front and also in the back, and it looks like this. It's an absolute bitch to get it out. Yeah, you have to get these bolts out from the back, you know, from the back, very difficult to get to. But once you have the top off, I wasn't able to get the top off if I did not remove the back as well. So I removed the top halfway hanging in there and then removed the one in the back, and basically now, yeah. But I absolutely did not want to do this kind of depth of work, you know. And this is all because the guy who worked on this before put, and you can see it, he put the red Loctites. I was not able to do that with a wrench of 17. I'm not able to get that bolt off. So now I have a bigger chance, because I have it here now, to get the bolt off. So yeah, you can take off the generator with the engine still in the car, but getting the shrouds off here, the front, the top and the back, is really difficult. But on the other hand, it's good to take a look at it, and I'm going to clean everything here so the air can pass smoothly, and I'm going to try and clean this a little bit here. I don't have an air compressor, but I'll try my best. So that's where I'm at so far. So now that I got the generator out, I'm going to reverse the process. So I'm going to put the back shroud, then the top shroud, then the side shroud without the generator. I will mount the generator at the very last moment, the way it's supposed to be done, with the fan and the bolts of the fan in the back. So that's my my strategy for now. It's a lot of stuff to get back. And the worst part for the shroud is that each bolt has a nut in the back, so you need 2 wrenches, 2 hands to put everything together. It would have been smart to weld these nuts here, so you never have to do that again with 2 hands. But anyway, that's where I'm at now.